What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. I'm gonna go over our friend Solana. Currently, we're sitting at $56. We're down 6% on the day. We're seeing market cap 23.78 billion. 24-hour volume 1.94 billion. So let's hop into the charts. Head and shoulders. We talked about this in the Discord, possibly in the previous video as well, about putting in that right shoulder, and so far that's exactly what we've done. And as you can see, we have broke the neckline. We're just coming up to retest it. So the target for that head and shoulders, take you right down to our target zone. So it'll take you down to about $40. And our target zone for this pullback is in between $28 and $43, so 50% in the 78.6, which will give us our next long trade opportunity. If we look at SOL on the daily chart, we got rejected by that resistance there. Let it load up here. As you can see, we pushed right up into that resistance. We got rejected. Coming back to the 20 EMA. So if we do pull back to that $40 range, we'll come back down and retest this support in between about $43 all the way up to about $48 would be healthy for the price to see that pullback. Give us another long trade opportunity before seeing that continuation to the upside. Boom, boom, just like that. That's what I think is likely for SOL. If we end up putting in a higher high, it is what it is. Eventually we will correct. But we have a head and shoulders. We broke the neckline. We're retesting. So the higher probability is coming down to our target zone for the wave 2. We enter our long trade. A signal will be given in the Discord for $10 a month to ride up that juicy wave 3. That's what I'm looking at for SOL. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. For my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20. You can also win AirPods and AirPod Pro Max until December 1st. All links in the description as well as in the comments. Go check them out. My signals are $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. Daily crypto analysis for many pairs. My exact trade setups. Crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. Mahado all plays, Forex signals, Forex analysis. Currently crushing on USD JPY. We're also in silver. So not only can you trade crypto, but as well as Forex analysis for both. And you spend $10 every single day. So I highly recommend checking it out. Sign up through the Patreon. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.